This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. Immaculate, well-maintained, custom-built, deck 2010, 5-bedroom/4.5 bath, 3,534 square feet, all-brick home located in a quiet, family-friendly cul-de-sac in the highly sought-after Grassfield School District. Spacious floor plan west/generously sized rooms. 1 st and second floor primary ensuite with double vanity, separate tub and shower, large walk-in closets. Option to use the upstairs primary bedroom as an extra spacious media room. Finished 2-car garage west/heat, AC, ceiling fan, epoxy floor seal. Third and fourth bedroom suites, 16 by 14, with full ensuite baths. Numerous upgrades include Samsung stainless steel appliances, granite countertops throughout, porcelain tile, ceiling fans in all rooms, custom faux wood blinds, beautifully crafted crown and trim work throughout, built-in bookshelves, 9 feet ceilings, gas fireplace, brand new carpet, jacuzzi tub in upstairs primary, high-speed Cat 5 network wiring in every room and garage, 25 by 20 concrete patio, 6-car extended driveway, fenced yard, dual zone HVAC. For more information, review the details below.